Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is like art imitating life. The government is corrupt. It's about time we all did something about it. So let's join the resistance. The resistance pits a small group of resistance fighters against a powerful and corrupt government. The resistance has launched a series of daring missions to bring the government to its knees. Unfortunately, spies have infiltrated the resistance ranks, ready to sabotage the carefully crafted plans. Even a single spy can take down a resistance mission. Choose your teams carefully, or forever lose your freedom. Will the resistance be able to uncover the spies in time? This includes the Inquisitor expansion that offers even more nail-biting possibilities for discovery and deception. It's for ages 14 plus for 5 to 10 players, and takes about 30 minutes to play. Let's have a look what's inside. So, I'll take the wrapper off, and there's the front cover. Let's raise this a touch so you can see it all. There we are. And let's open up. What do we have? Okay, so first off we have the rules. Usually I'll go through the contents. I'm not going to change this time. So, you just lower this a second. No, I don't. I can leave it like that. The contents are 10 character cards, 10 mission cards, which is 5 success and 5 failure cards, 1 Inquisitor Token, which is used in the Inquisitor expansion, 5 team tokens, 20 vote tokens, 10 approve and 10 reject, 5 score markers, blue and red, 1 round marker, 1 vote track marker, 1 leader token, and 3 score tableaus. Okay, so we also have a QR code for YouTube video rules. It tells you the objective, and it shows you all the cards and tokens there. And it tells you how to set up. Oops. Looks easy enough. I have played this a couple of times in the past. I've not played this for about, God, how long? 8-10 years. It's been a while. Let's put it that way. But yeah, so there's a couple of others that we can get. So they're the rules. Next we have the what are these called again? 3 score tableaus. So this is for 10 players. So you have 4 spies in this. So for the first mission you need 3 people going on that mission. The second mission is just 2. The third mission is 3. The fourth mission has 5 people going on it. However, you need 2 fails to stop it. And then the 5th and final mission, you have 5 people going on that one as well. This is for 9 players, and as you can see, slightly different. And you've got the vote track along the bottom, which I forgot to point out. And then we have for 8 players rather. And then for 7 players. Lovely Blade Runner-esque type images in the background of this. Then we have 6 players. And then 5. So there we are. Here we have cards and tokens. And here we have cards. Anything underneath? I doubt it, but mind you, should get out of the habit of doing that, because there's some games where things are hidden underneath and we don't want them to be seen. So let's have a look at these first. Okay, it's a sealed bag as per usual, but I have Ziploc bags to hand, so not a problem. So we have what do we have? That's the leader token. Basically the first player token. And then we have the team token. And on these are approve and reject. So these are voting on whether or not you go on the mission. There we go. And this one is the Inquisitor token. Now let's have a look at the rest of them, shall we? Approve, reject, reject. Team token. Don't know why there's two. I'll find out, I suppose. Approve, approve, reject. These are all the same, aren't they? Another. Oh, it's a different weaponry on them. It's different guns. Hadn't realised that. Ah, there are different guns on these. That is the reason we have team tokens. I'm not sure what the difference is between them, because I don't remember playing with these at all. But we have them. So here we have put those two on side. The rest are reject and approve cards, or tokens rather. Oh, except for the Inquisitor. Again, that's only played with a certain thing. And now we have this one, which is a round marker. Let's zoom in a touch. Okay, so we've got a round marker. You know it's a round marker because it's round. If it was that shape, it'd be a rectangle marker. No. To show the difference, say for instance we're playing this game, round 1, that goes on there. I assume. Sorry, that's the round marker. That's the vote marker. There we are. And these go on here. So if that goes on, then the traitors have won. And if that goes on, the resistance has won. Simples, really. But that's only part of it, because now we have to look at these cards. I'm going to remind myself of the rules before tomorrow. Hopefully we can get a game in tomorrow night. But we have fail, success, fail, success, fail, success, success, fail, success. And here are the characters. So we have resistance, 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 resistance. And now we have the corporation, as it were, the bad guys. These are the ones who, these are the spies who have infiltrated us. Oh, there we are. So, basically that is it. There's not a great deal in this box, but there's a lot of gameplay. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.